Hello loves, it's Ada's recipes here. How you guys doing? Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing, and if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you on how to make delicious banana pancake. Guys, you're going to love this recipe. If you want to know how I came up with this delicious Nigerian snack, continue watching as I share with you guys. So the first ingredient I have here is banana. This is overripe banana. You can also use ripe banana, okay? So it depends on you, but I prefer using overripe banana so I wouldn't add so much sugar in it, okay? So the next, we're going to mash the banana. So after mashing the banana, you break in your egg, and then you whisk. So here I have a mix of coarsely blended onion and pepper. Add salt, then you mix everything together. So transfer into a larger bowl. Then you add water. Next, you stir. Next, sift in your all-purpose flour. Then you incorporate. Sift in the remaining flour. Add sugar, then baking powder, then you mix everything together. So after everything is well mixed, place your pan on low-medium heat, add little cooking oil, then you scoop in your pancake mix. So once the top set, you flip over to the other side. And if you're not still okay, you flip over. So this is done. Set this aside and repeat the same process until you exhaust your pancake batter or pancake mix. Our delicious pancake is ready. Our banana pancake is yummy and delicious, guys. Make sure you try it out. For the recipe measurement, check the description box below, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. See you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye.